Wheatley is named for Phyllis Wheatley, the poet, who was a slave. And so the middle school, Wheatley Middle School, was named after Phyllis Wheatley, and so we in turn named the community school the same. Community school strategy, I know they call it a model, but it's really a strategy of thinking of the whole child. So we have students in the building, but those students are not just what they are when they're sitting in those seats. They have a family, and they have a neighborhood, and they have a surrounding community that they thrive in and that they grow in. And so just like a tree, you plant it in the ground, but everything that goes on around that ground is important. And so we feel like in maintaining the community and the families, that all filters down to the student.
My name is Gordon Benjamin, and I'm the chairman of the Wheatley Community School Leadership Council.
For us to be successful, we have to have community input.
The Wheatley Community School Leadership Council is a group of volunteers who have come together, and we're charged with the responsibility of spreading the word about the services that are available here in the Wheatley Community School, determining or finding additional services that can be put in place here, or if the community members desire certain services that we don't have, but we know where they are available, we can direct community members to those services.
We can help you as a community school, we can help you as a leadership group, and we can help you as a community joining behind each individual and our group in our community.
We're working with both kids and adults, and this particular community has been neglected and ignored for a number of years. There are certain barriers that are unseen, and what we want to do is develop an atmosphere, of caring and lifelong learning in the Wheatley community so that people feel accepted and people feel empowered to do things, because when a person knows better, they do better.
Wheatley Community School provides opportunities for education, opportunities for career development, leadership training, and just an overall commitment to strengthening the community as a whole. Well, what motivated me to get involved with the community school was the lack of outreach from other entities, other services that may be available to the community. I think that having a school that is community-based and not just whether it's just for kids or just for any particular group of people, having it being available to all ages, all demographics, all generations was the biggest thing that got me interested in joining the community school. I personally have benefited from it. I've received some leadership training that helped me develop from going just from your average resident to an activist, a leader, somebody who's actually trying to help evolve the community. We definitely want to hear from the kids and the youth because we have programs that we want to target just for them. So definitely we want to hear from the kids and anywhere from college age and all the way up to just to include everybody, because if it's a community school, it's not just for kids, it's not just for college age people, it's for everybody.
There you go. So cool. Was that fun?
The good thing about the model is we can change and we can grow, and so as the community grows and changes, we can do the same thing. Educational excellence, excellence in everything that is done, striving to be the best, striving beyond circumstance. All of those things are the spirit of what Wheatley is and what who Phyllis Wheatley was. And so we try to foster that and keep it going. So no matter what, we'll always be Wheatley, we'll always be a Wheatley community, whether we're a middle school or whether it's the community school, whatever happens in this building, we'll have that spirit running through it. And it's great because the community really feels that. They really feel like Phyllis Wheatley and that legacy of academic excellence, excellence in sports, just excellence in character is what we want to live on through here.